Back in this thing. Messing with the 2-stroke. Yes sir, 2-stroke by Woods. Gotta do the real diff. Done went out on me. Yeah, she ready.
Need to be charged. I'm at 50%.
Yeah. Got all of that right now. Just starting to break it loose. Yeah. Yeah, man. Hey. Put that bitch back together. Break that bitch apart. Put it back together. That's not real devil.
Stick your leg out, dug it fresh and drop it low. Then go let me see it. Bounce left and right and then slide next to me. Hey, you better fan yourself, cause I can tell that you're hot. I want you wind it up, lean back and show your side. Then I want you to stop. You do the booty do. Lift it up and let it drop. And don't forget, if you ride, do the stanky leg. Do the stanky leg. Do the stanky leg.
Yeah, I done broke it down. I broke it all the way down. To get that differential bite though. Yeah, gonna get to that, the differential. Yeah. Get this bite over for me for the night. Yeah. Yeah, got this thing jacked up this morning. Busted it down, broke it down. Yeah, differential off. Looking at the differential right here. This is what I think was the problem. See how that bolt halfway out. His bite is almost out. Yeah. That don't supposed to be like that. That bolt's supposed to be in flush. Similar to that. Yeah. But I got it all broke down. Like my jike stand. Yeah. Got the differential out. I cleaned it up a little bit. put it back together. Yes, sir. Back with it. Go ahead and fill it on up with that differential fluid. Got my diff. Differential oil. Ready. Get back at it. I don't got no cameraman, so I got to do this thing myself like this. So yeah. Differential back together. Fluid in it. Going back with it. Cleaning up parts as it go along. Got it back together, baby. She in there. Springs in there. Yes, sir. That's how 2Stroke do his thing. Finna hook this pipe up. Look at that pipe. Yeah, I got that thing back together. Turn that thing down a little bit. Differential in. Everything looking good. Yes, sir. She ready. Get that thing out here and test drive it. Test ride it. See what's going on. Let you know the rest. Yep.